Preparing for entrance exams during the pandemic has been hard for all of the students all over India, but Akash has helped us in many ways to overcome those difficulties. For starters, they conduct daily online classes which helps the students to understand concepts better, and their faculties are very dedicated towards the students and dedicated towards helping them in any difficulties they get. The iTutor app of Akash has also been very helpful for me since it has all the video lectures in there, and plus the periodical FTs and AITs that they conduct also help us to know what are our weaknesses and where are the places where we need to improve. In short, Akash has made learning in the pandemic easier for all the students, and made the preparation for entrance exam a bit easier during this trying times. Thank you.